welcome to today's video. I'll be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I will only be using eyebrow pencils, and I'll just be showing you how I shape them and come out with different looks just with the way I brush and what I apply and how I use my concealer. I will be using 4 different pencils, Makeup Academy ones, I think 2 of them, and 2 of them are just from the hair shop for like £1. This is what my eyebrows look like up close. I'm kind of trying to shape this one again and regrow it out, so this is very sparse, and I'm trying to regrow out this bit. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some aloe vera to try to stick up my brows. So I'm going to just put some on. And then I'm going to get a spoolie and brush it up with the aloe vera. And then I'm going to get my eyebrow pencil and just fill in. Okay, and so this is the first one, which is just like natural if I want it to look like it's my brows. Okay, so I'm going to put some more aloe vera on. And I'm going to go again this time. And then I'm just going to go over with some concealer. Fairly dark, but not too dark. I've tried to make it a bit clean and blocked out. I just wanted to quickly show you also what my face looks like with my glasses on. I like to play with my brows because I do wear glasses. Brows are the way for me to just experiment and play with things as much as I can. This one, I'm going to put some concealer on my eyebrows first. I'm going to get a light shade. And so this is like my brows, but lighter. I'm going to do a clean one using this really dark one again. So this is a lighter brow and this is a darker brow on my face. More of round and it's not as spiky and up, trying to just follow this circle of my face. Darker eyebrow, and this is a lighter eyebrow. I'm going to be using an eyebrow pencil that is a little bit brown but still more on the orangey side this time. This auburn brownie color is that it gives my eyebrows, like when I go over it, when I go over where there's no hair, like a kind of highlight of a different color. It looks like with my brows, and it's similar to like my skin tone. It's not too dark on the front area and the back area, but I feel like I get this glow. Next one I'm going to do, which is to like highlight and have some sort of glow, the mid brown, but not my favorite eyebrow. This one is darker, and I'm making this one a little bit thicker. I only put it on this bit around here. Okay, and so this one I have a glow kind of around my eyes from the Auburn different shade. This one I've got kind of a like a glow halo brow around. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys how I do little things to change up my eyebrows. So either I brush up or I brush around, or if I use concealer or not, and what shade of the eyebrow pencil I use to have a different outlook for my eyebrows. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing more videos of me just playing with little things and how I change my face in little ways, not major ways, but just depending on my mood, just remember to subscribe so you know when the next video comes up. But thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.